In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Parse error. If you're seeing a Parse error while trying to install an app, it usually means Android is having trouble reading or installing the file properly. The good news is that this is often caused by just a few common issues, and we can work through them one by one. First, enable installation from unknown sources. This is important if you're trying to install an APK file that did not come directly from the official Google Play Store. By default, Android blocks files downloaded from outside the Play Store as a security measure. So if this setting is turned off, the app may not install at all, and you could end up seeing a parse error. Head into your phone's settings and allow installation from unknown sources, or on newer Android versions, allow the specific browser or file manager you're using to install apps. Just make sure you only do this for sources you trust. Next, re-download the APK file. A very common reason for a parse error is that the file itself is incomplete or corrupted. If your internet connection dropped even briefly during the download, the file structure can break and Android won't be able to process it correctly. Delete the version you already downloaded, then download it again using a stable internet connection. If possible, avoid switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data during the download, because that can sometimes interrupt the process without making it obvious right away. After that, check Android system compatibility. This step is easy to overlook, but it matters a lot. If the application was built for a newer version of Android than the one your device is currently running, the installation can fail because your phone simply doesn't meet the app's requirements. In that case, the parse error is really a compatibility issue. Look at the app's required Android version and compare it with your device's current system version. If your phone is running an older release, that may be the reason the app won't install. Those are the main fixes to try when dealing with a Google Play parse error. In most cases, the issue comes down to blocked installation permissions, a damaged APK file, or an app that isn't compatible with your Android version. Go through each fix carefully, and you'll have the best chance of getting the app installed successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.